Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Chit Chat with Ratan. I hope you all are well and enjoyed your festive season. I was just thinking to prepare this video for weight loss this time because during festive time we have eaten lots of sweets, so we may put on some weight. So basically in this video today I'm going to share with you two probiotics drinks. One is sweet in taste and the another one is salty in taste. These two probiotic drinks are not only helpful for our weight loss, but these two drinks are really helpful for our skin health and our hair health. In these two drinks, the common ingredient is subja seeds, or we can call it as basil seeds. So let's see what are the important benefits of subja seeds and basil seed, and why should we include this in our our weight loss journey or healthy lifestyle journey. Subja seeds and basil seeds are high and rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Not only they are rich in lots of vitamins and mineral, they are also good for your blood pressure control. Also they aids in weight loss. Plus they are very good for your skin and hair health. In my previous video I have shared one video about probiotic. So if you want to know about probiotic and the health benefits of probiotic, why we should include probiotic in our lifestyle, you must watch my video on probiotic. So I will post the link in the description box, so please refer the description box if you want to watch and know more about probiotic. So let's start preparing these two probiotic weight loss drink, which in Hindi we also call lassi. I hope you like these two weight loss drinks and prebiotic drink. If you like this recipe, please don't go without like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.